Before getting into the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a video.
Now let us talk about list. List in Pythons are the data structures which stores order collection of items, and these items can be of any data type, that is they can be of data type int, float or a string. For example, we have a list of numbers defined as numbers, which is equal to, we specify list with square brackets. So we'll take numbers equal to then square bracket and inside it 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and in the next line let us print this list. So we will write print and in it numbers, and let us run this. So it is giving us the output 1 2 3 4 inside a list. So that is how list is printed and defined. Similarly, we can create a list for words. So we define a list, let's say words, which is equal to square brackets word 1 comma word 2 comma word 3, and now let us print this list of words. So we will write print words and let us run this. So it is giving us first the a list of numbers and then list of words. In a list, it is not necessary that all the data items or the elements of a list must be of the same data type. You can also print a list with different data types. Let's say we have a list named mixed, which is equal to the combination of integer, float and string values. So 1 2 3 4 and comma FIVE then SIX then 2.3 and none. Let us print mixed. We'll write print mixed and let us run this. So the output is the list, that is it is not giving any error, which means it can also print list with different data items in the same list. Now how can we access the elements of this list? The way we used to access the characters in a string, in the same way we will be accessing the elements in a list. So suppose we have to access the second element, which is 2. So since the indexing starts from 0, so the second element will be at the position with index number 1. So we will write print numbers and then square brackets and inside it 1. Let us run this. So it is giving us output as 2. Now we can even use slicing here. So suppose we have to print two words from the list words, that is word 1, word 2. So we will write print then colon then 2. So it will start from 0 and end up at 2. 2 minus 1. So which will print the elements at 0th position and first position, which is word 1 and word 2. Let us run this. And yeah, here we have word 1 and word 2. Similarly, we can use negative indexing. So in the list mixed, we will use negative indexing. So we'll write print mixed minus 1 and let us see what is the output. So it is giving us the last element as the output. So this is how you retrieve an element from a list. Unlike strings were immutable, but lists are mutable, and we can even change the elements of a list once we define it. So if we wish to change the second element in the list mixed by 2, so what we will do is we'll write mixed, then specify the index number, that is in the square brackets we write 1, which is equal to quotes and inside the quotes TWO. And now let us print it and see what is the output. So the output is 1 comma 2. So it is changing the second element to 2 and rest remains the same. Now what if we use slicing here, that is if we write mixed 1 colon and after that TWO, the same, unprinted. So let us run this. The output is 1 comma T comma W comma O, which means that it is breaking this string into a list and then considering all the elements as a part of the list and then printing in the previous list, which means the word which we assigned, that is TWO, it broke into TWO as characters, and then these characters are assigned certain positions, that is starting from 1 to 3, and this 1 to 3 will be changed inside our original list mixed, which is 1 comma T comma W comma O. So this is how it works. And now what if we give additional elements inside it? So let's say we give mixed 1 colon 3 4 as strings, okay? Then print mixed. So here we are getting 1 comma 3 comma 4. That is, the elements after the position 1 have been changed to 3 and 4. So this is how we deal with lists.
If you like this video, hit the like button. Thank you.